As advertised, we're in a blizzard warning until 6 p.m. on this Friday. Here's Grand Forks from the UND Skycam looking west at 5 a.m. Temperature around 5 degrees, wind speeds 26, gusts to 36, visibility 1 mile, wind chill minus 18. Not a lot going on yet, but that blizzard conditions are expected. Total snow accumulations up to 1 inch for most areas, with 2 inches possible near Lake of the Woods, with winds gusting as high as 65 miles per hour. Visibility of 1/4 mile or less, with near zero visibility at times. Now, not a lot happening yet at 5 a.m. Let's take a look at some of the webcams out on the road. This is I-29 just south of Grand Forks. Road conditions maps showing, as pictured, snowdrifts building up on roads. You're going to have to take a look at the road condition maps before traveling today. And here's the overpass bridge down by BUXTON, north of Hillsboro, North Dakota. You see some snow starting to build up on roads there. And here's the Interstate 29 and 94 interchange in Fargo. Looks like some snow, possibly ice sticking to the road there. So conditions likely to change fast today. Take a look at road maps in your North Dakota or Minnesota before you consider traveling. Blizzard warning until 6 p.m. on this Friday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.